Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I show you how to set up GLUT, the OpenGL utility toolkit with CodeBlocks. At first, download and install the 32-bit setup file. If you are install the 64-bit, then uninstall it and then set up 32-bit because GLUT project are because because GLUT projects are formal used in 32-bit. You should download the 32-bit including 32-bit compiler. I have already installed so that I see you. That box it's 32-bit. There it is 32-bit. So then after that download GLUT 3.6 3.7.6, link in the description box. I will give the link and download that zip file. This is a file, that zip file. These are in the file, and follow my instruction. At first at first copy this DLL file. Copy. I will show you that file. That copy the DLL file to Windows. C Windows System. C Windows then System, and I will show you that file is already copied. Then copy glut lib to program file 86 CodeBlocks Minghui, then lib folder. I will show you CodeBlocks Minghui, then lib folder, and then is there are this file, and the last file is .h file is also going to 86 CodeBlocks GL new folder. I will show you. CodeBlocks Minghui, and then include, then create a folder, new GL, then paste it here, .h file, and then you are done. But there are some settings in CodeBlocks you must have change. I will show you. First, go to settings, then compiler, then toolchain executable. Then change this address to sorry, change this address to program file C, program file 86, CodeBlocks, MingY, and this folder selected, MingY, Ming W. Select this folder, and then C compiler. You have the different one. Is change to GCC C++. And if you don't open this file, then I will show where it is. mingw bin, and then you will find the gcc.exe. Select this. C++ compiler. For C++ compiler it's g++.exe. It's also here found g++, and then need under this the linker for dynamic library g++.exe, and you are done. I will show you that. File, new, and then you are done. So start a project finds this GLUT project, this next, and in here project title test, and then select the folder where you want to where you want to for there's this file where you want to, then next, and if the GLUT location is changed, then change to mingw file folder. So select this folder, you see, then next, then finish. And if there is a problem, if this is not selected, also this is not selected, then you have the problem sometimes. Next, finish, go to the source, main gpt, then your work is complete. I will test it. Sorry, there it is. There it is. All set. So the main thing is the this three step, and you must download the 32-bit with 32-bit compiler in any version of CodeBlocks. But download this is very much important. I will provide you the link of this file to this yeah, drive link. I will provide this folder's drive link in the description. Check it. And if there are done, you're done. Happy coding. Thank you.